Hello and welcome to Career Guarantee, where success is guaranteed by Mr. Shopon Kumar Sarkar, the pharma industry expert. Today we will discuss the vision of Career Guarantee. Mr. Shopon Kumar Sarkar has a vast experience in pharmaceutical marketing and manufacturing. In the lockdown period and latter of COVID-19 situation, many young graduates become jobless in different sectors. Only in pharmaceutical industry, new recruitment is there for male and female candidates. There is no saturation in pharmaceutical industry. As long as human beings are on this earth, medicine is required for their well-being. So there is maximum opportunity of employment nowadays in pharmaceutical industry. In first part of Career Guarantee, Mr. Shopon Kumar Sarkar has discussed grooming, marketing, sales, vitamins, antibiotics, 10 different human systems for the interview of medical representative job. Case studies of marketing are essential for the newcomers, not only for the interview but also it is helpful to continue the job as medical representative in the market. After going through the subject of career guarantee, every young graduate, both male and female candidate, will get a job in pharmaceutical industry as medical representative. Later, in Career Guarantee, Mr. Shopon Kumar Sarkar has discussed about entrepreneurship to the newcomers to start the business of retail and wholesale chemist as entrepreneur. For retail and wholesale chemist, the essential requirements of licensing, measurement of the room and prerequisites, minimum investments and scope of business has discussed to start a new business. In Career Guarantee, the other prospects of wholesale chemist business has been discussed. Stockist, loan license products and third-party licenses and their differences has been discussed in the vision of Career Guarantee. Promotion cum distribution business of medicine as a wholesaler for the new entrepreneur has discussed in Career Guarantee. The essential requirements, the licenses, the size of the room, agreement with manufacturer, minimum investments, appointment of medical representative and stockist, marketing operations and follow-up has been discussed in the vision of Career Guarantee for new entrepreneur as promoters cum distributors. In the vision of Career Guarantee, the manufacturing of medicines are there for the newcomers as manufacturer. Manufacturing of liquids, suspensions, etc. will be there. For every division of manufacturing medicine, the production machineries and R&D machineries are essential. Production of medicine and its marketing in the area are equally important to the manufacturer. Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.